Welcome back to Full Bore. Today we're going to be working on a 2003 Mitsubishi Outlander. Now if you got an Outlander anywhere from the year of 03 to 06, this will apply to you. Chances are if you got a vehicle this old, the lights that illuminate the temperature, the fan speed, and the fan direction, these little buttons down here are not burnt out in most cases because they're LEDs and not incandescent bulbs. So, to get started, all we really need is a few basic tools. Just going to need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, something to put some screws in. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect any electrical components in your 12-volt slot. Then we're going to take the fan knobs off, which just set your fan knobs all the way to the left or counterclockwise, just so you know what position they're in. Can't go any further than that. And just pull it off. Just like now we can access some screws. There'll be one here and one here that we'll need to remove. That's what holds this front panel onto the vehicle, just so we don't lose it. And then we can focus on removing this plate. I got a few accessories in my vehicle, like this little scan gauge and then this little microphone. Don't worry, that won't affect the process. A flathead screwdriver. You just come in from the back, pop it off. They're just little clips. Around here, there's a light bulb that's blue. It's right there. And actually, that might be the only bulb for this thing. In order to access it, we'll need to remove 4 screws that hold this transparent diffuser on. So we're going to take our... We actually might need a smaller screwdriver for this. Yep, this screwdriver is a little too big. Let's go grab a small screwdriver. This screwdriver fits these Phillips heads much better. Trying to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go. If I had an automatic screwdriver, this would be faster, but I want to demonstrate that this can be done. And this is the last of the 4 screws. Oh well, win some, you lose some. Now this plastic face piece, this plastic diffuser, can come off. Now, with this off, we can access lights. There are 2 lights. There's these 3 LEDs. Just pull out. There we go. These little guys. Now these guys are tiny. You don't want to lose them, but we're going to match these up to some stuff. The light bulbs you're looking for are Sylvania 2723. They're very tiny bulbs, and these ones won't come with the little blue coating on top of it, so they're going to be a little bit brighter, but they're a little more expensive. So we're going to just try these out and see how these work. So we're going to carefully open up our package so we don't lose the bulbs. We're going to put a bulb in. Hey, we got light. So that's one of the bulbs. And now see if I here have handy dandy set of pliers to grab this a little bit better. You don't want to shatter the bulb. It's extra snug in there, I tell you what. There we go. Then we take our second light bulb. These are sold in packs of 2. There we go. This one's connection's a little bit finicky. There we go. Alright, so with this bulb I just rotated it 180 degrees and it seems to be much happier. The bulbs are staying on. So now we can reapply our diffuser. Just seeing if I can get a little more light in here. The sun's starting to go down. There we go. Sorry guys, this is kind of a weird angle. There we go. And there would be one more screw that goes right here, but I dropped the screw somewhere down here. We're not going to worry about it. Now, I can reapply. Make sure this wire is tucked in here. It's an aftermarket wire. The face plate. Like that. Voila! Now you can see what you're doing again. Bulbs are not the blue coated ones, so they're going to look a little more faded than before. You can again get the blue ones from some dealers online. I'll try and provide a part number if I can find it. But yeah, that's the basic process.